Well, Rohan, good evening. How are you?
I'm great, sir. How are you?
Yeah, I am also good, Rohan. And how does it feel to be a recommended candidate?
Sir, it's not much of a difference, but still, I'm very much relaxed as of now.
Why is not much of a difference?
Like, sir, everything is same, but the kind of pressure that I had regarding my preparation and the selection, it is now gone.
But I'm sure you must be thrilled, happy about having achieved what you wanted to achieve.
Yes, sir, I'm very happy about it. Very
Okay.
content about what I have right now.
It's not something small that you have achieved. And, IMA, OTA, that's fine. I mean, in Army, you can opt for permanent commission also. So there are a lot of vacancies in the Army, and after 14 years of service, you can opt for permanent commission, and you get it very easily in the Army, unlike the Navy and the Air Force. Army, quite comfortably, you get there are a lot of vacancies.
Yes, sir.
And this achievement is even more important for you for the fact that your father has served in the Army for 29 years. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
He
sir.
retired as a
26.
Subedar Major.
Yes,
So I'm sure he must be the proudest father today.
Yes, sir.
So
He
if
is,
not
sir.
for yourself, you have achieved much bigger, much greater for your father. That's how you should look at it.
Yes, sir.
Rohan, when I got to hear from you, it was it gave me a lot of happiness. I find one thing very prominently happening, that a lot of soldiers, sons, wards, they are doing extremely well. And even in the NDA 147, where we have given 67 recommendations, quite a few of
Yes,
them
sir.
are serving or retired service personals children. That's really
Yes, sir.
very very heartening, and we're extremely happy to note that. So, Rohan, this was your third attempt. What do you think went wrong in the previous two attempts?
Sir, in the previous two attempts, what I felt was that I lacked knowledge, like knowledge in all terms, including the professional knowledge or the international relations. I did have that, but not that much. And the second thing that I felt that went wrong was the Tigers League. दोनों ही attempt में sir, I did not attend the Tiger League because of poor planning.
Okay, I remember you came and spoke to me.
Yes, sir.
And you told me that in the previous two attempts you did not do this. And I told you that if you don't do this, the GTO is going to not clear you for courage. And courage is definitely a core quality. And obviously, he would think that you have a problem in courage, and that's why you circumvented it or you avoided it. That is one of the possible interpretations, and that happens most often. And so, how did it? What was the issue? Was it a courage issue, or was it a issue of poor planning? You say, according to you.
Sir, what I felt was it was an issue of poor planning and organizing. Like, where will I start from and where will I move? That is where the problem I had.
Okay, I don't mind, for the benefit of the viewers of this video, I don't mind telling this. This is an excellent case study where a candidate has no courage problem, but because he did not understand how to approach this IO, he went ahead and did the Tigers Leap, which carries 10 marks, highest marks. He decides to do that in the end, and by the time he reaches there, he runs out of time. But then there is a big doubt in the mind of the GTO that this would be a problem of courage. Now, please understand, what I told you also, and I keep telling here. If there are 10 obstacles placed randomly on the ground, and you have a constraint of 3 minutes and your own physical stamina, and you have the objective of the task is to score as many points as possible, obviously a rational thinking person would pick up the higher points first, in a manner that he doesn't waste his time and effort, but he collects the higher point in the beginning, so that even if he runs out of time, the loss is minimized. Right. So this is what is rational thinking. This is what is factor one. RA. This is exactly what is RA. So it is because you did not know, so you went ahead and did it at random, and you ended up not doing the most important one. Okay, very good. So I'm sure your visit to AFPA
Helped me a lot, sir.
help you in this. Okay, one more interesting thing I wanted to know. So in the previous two attempts when you got conferenced out, for how long were you sitting outside the conference hall before you were called inside?
Sir, in the first attempt, I was waiting for around 12 minutes. And in the second attempt, it was less than around 6 to 7 minutes, sir.
Okay, okay. Anyway, fine, fair enough. So that's wonderful. Rohan, then that's one thing that you gained from AFPA and which worked well. Because if you had courage problem, somebody who has a fear of leap or fear of ditch, fear of height, it is not going to go away. These are very deep-seated phobias that people carry, and that's the definite no for us. But more often, what happens in your with your generation is, since you all have spent a lot of time in the virtual world and the physical world, there is a fear of unknown. Most of you would be doing it for the first time in your life. So obviously, nobody is born courageous. The courage, the confidence, courage develops through participation in such activities in the past. So since you're not done it, so when you're doing it for the first time in the SSB, if you're a fresher and you're doing it for the first time in the SSB, you are going to fumble. That is not a courage problem. But unfortunately, this fumble or this hesitation makes him avoid that particular obstacle. But then that leads to a big question mark as far as courage is concerned in the minds of the GTO. And no sensible GTO would like to clear a candidate who's not performed these 2-3 important obstacles. Fine.
Yes,
what
sir.
else did you gain from AFPA according to you? These 14 days that you were here.
Yes, sir. What I gained was knowledge. I did gather a lot of knowledge from various people, learned people, how to approach various tasks and what they are looking for. This was the most important thing. Once a person has decoded what the assessors are looking for in a particular task, it is somewhat easy to clear that. So, sir, वो जो approach थी, that I learned from AFPA, sir. And of course, the knowledge part. Yes, sir.
See, this is another reason why many of you fail. And this is what I keep telling. I have told you also, your batch also when you were here, and I keep telling in the YouTube also, everywhere I keep talking about it. If you don't even have an understanding of what the assessors are looking for, how are you going to project it? Now, a classic example is this: when you know that this is important and I need to do this. And once you understand the rationality behind doing the bigger obstacles, first you understood that, so you went ahead and did it. That's it. It is not. There was nothing wrong in knowing this much or getting a professional help to know this much. What's wrong in that? Absolutely nothing wrong. Very good. So, did the psych assessment that you went through here twice, did that really help in improving your responses?
Yes, sir. Even before that, I did take the psych test mastery for myself a month ago, right before the Dehradun attempt, the FSB Dehradun attempt. But after that, I did develop even क्योंकि SSB से just थोड़ी देर पहले लिया था मैंने, and that did not work well. But after coming from there, I had some time and I did work upon that. So sir, that helped me a lot. And then वहाँ पे जाके I gave there were 2 assessments. पहले assessment में it went very well. TAT में थोड़ा development था, and then second assessment में it went very well.
Yeah, I remember Yogesh sir having told me that you have done very well in your psych test. He did mention to me when you were here. हम लोग ऐसे informally discuss करते रहते हैं candidates को. So, and how about GTO?
It was great, sir. For in AFPA or in SSB, sir?
SSB, actual SSB.
Sir, it was flawless.
How did AFPA help you in the GTO in the actual SSB?
सर बहुत फ्लॉलेस था. स्टार्टिंग से ही मुझे पता था कि व्हाट स्पेशली द ग्रुप टास्क सर, जो पीजीटी एचजीटी है, दोस 4 क्वेश्चंस व्हाट यू हैव टू आस्क योरसेल्फ कि कहाँ रखना है, क्या करना है, सो ऑन. वो सर ऐसे इतनी स्पीड में सारे टास्क हुए ना, when the group were they were like stuck at some point, we had the solution, sir. तो वहाँ पर I was in the inner circle, and being in that inner circle काफी ज्यादा प्रेशर रहता है from the behind, but still it was handled very well, sir.
So those 4 questions work. Huh?
Yes, sir.
And there are some They are not some short tricks. This is purely, logical steps to move forward. And what we are looking for is a candidate. See, this is an unfamiliar thing for you guys, right? You have never done all this in the past. So in an unfamiliar situation, a candidate who approaches the task logically is the one who will find the solution. So you have learned the logic of how to approach it. There can't be any shortcuts here. It is just a logical question. Ask those basic 4 questions and see. You will get the answer. And there's not a rocket science. That's wonderful. Very good. And what was your GD topic, by the way, in the actual assessment?
Sir, it was OTT platform, sir, the first. And there was another related to China. I cannot recall the correct.
I mean, how is this OTT platform affecting the youth or something like that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And I think we discussed about the internet. How is internet more or less the same? Okay.
So, काफी all ज़्यादातर material was same, sir. So it did help. क्योंकि वही मतलब जैसे सर ने बताया था, like environment, global warming, green and ये सब इनको सबको एक ही साथ बोलना होता है. So that all that thing helped.
Very nice. Okay. So and what was the second topic?
Sir, it was related to China, sir.
China also we discussed
that too. Yes, sir.
China also we discussed at length. In fact, there are I think two topics of China that we did. Rather 3, I would say. 2 topics. Okay, fine.
Sir,
one
three,
in the
sir,
of US. One, how to handle China, how to counter China. That also we discussed. And perhaps the third topic was why is China
modern colonization.
Modern colonization. Yes, very nice.
Sir.
So good. I mean, see, this is what, if you have practiced, if you have read, knowledge is very important. That I keep telling you guys, from day one, I say this knowledge and communication will, play a major role. And if you don't have knowledge, what are you going to communicate? And if you can't communicate, even if you have knowledge, how are you going to express it? Very good. Sir. That's fair enough. Okay. And how did your interview go?
Sir, it went on for around 1 hour 35 minutes, 1 hour 30 or 35 minutes. It was very long, sir. As soon as I entered, he started he tried foxing me, sir. He was showing that he was very aggressive and अच्छा तो SSB वाले नहीं कर सकते क्या? मैं बोला yes sir कर सकते हैं. He was asking कि ऐसा क्या myths रहते हैं? What do you think कि लोगों के myths रहते हैं? तो बोला सर कई जो NDA वाले बच्चे होते हैं, they had this myth कि SSB वाले स्टेशन से you have to be smart and you have to show कि आप ऐसे हो. तो वो बोलते नहीं हम नहीं कर सकते क्या SSB वाले ऐसा? बोले सर कर सकते हैं. तो बोलता क्यों बोल रहे हो फिर ऐसा? He was trying to fox me, sir. ऐसे start किया. He tried this around 6 or 7 times. अलग-अलग जगह पे. Parents, knowledge, कई जगह पे try किया.
One thing is for sure, no, that I keep telling you guys that at some stage during the interview, he will push you against the wall. The purpose of that is to see whether you hold your nerve, you are able to bounce back, or you give up, or you sulk, you lose your confidence, and that's it. And once you know what's going to happen, you should go mentally prepared. So होना ही है, तो I am ready.
सर ये पता था कि होगा, बट ये नहीं पता था कि जैसे जाऊंगा तो वैसे ही स्टार्ट कर देंगे.
हाँ, कुछ सबका अपना स्टाइल होता है, कोई शुरू में करता है, कोई बीच में करता है. Okay, that's good. So any other unexpected question that was asked and you got foxed actually?
Sir, he tried asking me कि अच्छा your father is in ex-army. So जब आप लोकेशन जब पोस्टिंग आती होगी तो you must be having some problems. तो मैंने बोला नहीं सर ऐसे कोई मेजर प्रॉब्लम तो होता नहीं, बट यस माइनर प्रॉब्लम्स लाइक आई हैव टू लीव माय फ्रेंड्स. आई जस्ट सेड दिस मच. तो ही अगेन रिपीटेड दिस कि अच्छा सो यू वर सेइंग कि यू हैव टू लीव योर फ्रेंड्स एंड देयर वाज ट्रबल मेकिंग न्यू फ्रेंड्स व्हेनेवर यू मूव. सो ही ट्राइड मैनिपुलेट करके उन्होंने बोला, वो बस चाहते थे कि मैं हाँ बोल दूं. नो सर व्हाट आई मेंट वाज कि ऐसा है कि दोस्त छूट जाते हैं ऐसा. तो देन उसके बाद से फॉक्स करना बंद कर दिया, बिकॉज़ नाउ वी न्यू कि मैं नहीं होने वाला.
That's good. That's very nice. Okay.
And similar question came in my conference. Yes sir. कि अच्छा वो दूसरा कोई बैठा हुआ था. He asked me कि अच्छा रोहन टेल मी कैसा है क्या है एंड हाउ डिड यू फील। तो मैं बोला सर अच्छा है सब, कैंटोनमेंट एरिया, इट्स नॉस्टैल्जिक फॉर मी। तो बोलता अच्छा कहाँ रहे हो। मैंने बोला सर अम्बाला जम्मू रत्नुचक। बोलता अच्छा तो वहाँ के कोई दोस्तों के नाम बताओ मुझे, दोनों जगह के दो दो। तो मैं बता दिए, अम्बाला से 2, जम्मू से 2। तो देन ही वाज सेटिस्फाइड। मे बी उनको कहीं डाउट होगा उससे रिलेटेड।
ठीक है। And I'm sure you must have been asked, where did you go for coaching?
Yes sir, he asked me.
Okay.
And I told him कि मैं आपका गया हूँ सर, एंड अभी कुछ टाइम पहले गया, 10 दिन पहले मैं आया हूँ वहाँ से। He kept asking me कि अच्छा क्या क्या है वहाँ पे, क्या रहने का क्या है, खाने का क्या है, पैसे क्या है। I told him everything. बोलता अच्छा अच्छा। फिर then he asked me this question कि what do you think is the negative or the what thing you don't like in a teacher? तो मैं बोला सर ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। तो बोलता अच्छा ये तो सिखाई दिया होगा ना वहाँ पर। ऐसा बोलने लगे। बट देन आफ्टर उसने अगेन एंड अगेन ही ट्राइड फॉक्सिंग मी, बट हुआ नहीं। तो ही वाज देन सैटिस्फाइड।
Okay. Okay. So, and how long did you have to wait outside the conference hall this time?
सर दिस टाइम लाइक 3-4 मिनट्स सर।
You're done well. Okay, fine. Fair enough. So your medicals are also done?
Yes sir, medicals are done.
But tell me, Rohan, I was just going through your profile and I see that, you know, you've done well in 10th, you've done well, fairly well in 12th. But why did you take BSc biotechnology? Why didn't you go for engineering?
Sir, because I did not have mathematics in class 12, so medical was the only option. Like the basic
You're
part
a
was the only
PCB.
option.
You're a
Yes sir,
PCB
I'm
guy.
a PCB
You're
student.
preparing for NEET or something.
No sir, I wasn't.
Maths is your Waterloo.
Yes sir, I was not that good in maths. But I like biology, so I opted for biology.
Okay, okay. And what was your plan B? If not Forge, then what?
The CAPF.
That's a CAPF.
Armed Police Force. Yes sir.
Okay. I'm sure this must have also been asked to you during the interview.
Yes sir, yes sir. And even he asked me कि इस बैकअप का बैकअप क्या है, अगर CAPF भी नहीं होता तो क्या। So I told him कि सर
मैं भी पूछने ही वाला था अभी।
Yes sir, कि पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन करूंगा एंड उसके साथ साथ आई विल प्रिपेयर फॉर कैट।
Okay, and do MBA.
Yes sir.
Okay, great. Tell me, Rohan, one memorable moment of AFPA. First of all, tell me, AFPA shifted to a new location. How did you find this location, and what do you feel about this place?
Sir, it's like it's out of the city, so it's very beautiful. It has like the scenic beauty around, and the lake that is there. It is very beautiful, especially from the 3rd floor. It looks great out of the window, and also the memorable instances that happened. Almost everything was memorable in AFPA, especially the small talks that we used to have with you in the evening, or like we were moving and we used to talk to you and you used to tell your experiences or the stories, whatever you have been through. That was something memorable because ऐसे किसी से मिलके नहीं हो पाता।
You know, I also get bored sometimes because staying in the campus, I don't go out. As you know, I have not stepped out of the campus since 15th of April. Now it's been a long time. So मैं भी बोर हो जाता हूँ, तो मुझे भी अच्छा लगता है interacting with you guys in the evening over a walk or something, standing and talking.
Yes sir.
That's how the journey has been, Rohan. It's not been very easy, but then I enjoy it now. I love spending time with you guys. Otherwise, you found the facilities adequate, or you think we should do something more to make it even better?
No sir, everything is great. Like whatever a person needs, it is there. There is a canteen, the mess, everything is there. So I don't think there is any.
And Rohan, who was the GTO, the second assessment GTO in AFPA? Hasabni sir was the
Yes sir,
GTO?
Hasabni sir. Yes sir.
So how do you find this whole program, in the sense, you know, first week I teach and then second week you put through an assessment from a neutral assessor. What is your view on this?
Sir, I think that it is a perfect scenario for us because first week we study, we have to gain कि क्या है, कैसे करना है. Thereafter we are being put into an assessment कि पूरा एक आप SSB दे रहे हो. तो उससे होता क्या है, person is that fear of unknown as you said. तो एक वो हट जाता है दिमाग से. Next वो जो उसने पढ़ा है, knowledge है, पहले से तो पढ़ा ही है. वहां जाके भी पढ़ा है, तो he understands कि उसको अप्लाई कैसे करना है इन SSB. So that I feel ki is a perfect scenario for a student, or sorry, for a candidate to go through.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, fair enough. And Rohan, I'm sure your father is very, very happy about your
Yes, sir.
success. Same must be with your mother. When you get commissioned and you get posted, when your father comes to the unit to stay with you, you can't understand the joy he's going to derive, the satisfaction he's going to derive, because he's going to go back to the environment where he lived for 29 years.
Yes, sir.
If I have to go back into the naval environment today, had my son been a naval officer, if I go and stay there, I would love to do that,
Yes, sir.
So I'm sure your father is going to be very,
Yes, sir. Yes.
very good. And what is one message you would like to give to the future aspirants, future defense aspirants?
Sir, one message that I'd like to give is, you are going for a class 1 job. So what I felt, what I have learned, ki develop your knowledge accordingly. And of course, the consistency that you should have. जितने भी attempts हो, जो भी है, पढ़ाई है या SSP है, prepare it accordingly and consistency रखनी है. Consistency and discipline. These two things, and of course the knowledge. Like you said कि knowledge होगा तो बंदा confident होगा तो बोलेगा अच्छा. So knowledge is the basis, sir. 50% as you said कि knowledge ही है सब कुछ.
Very good. I like this, what you said with so much of conviction. I know from you at least, मैं तो बोलता रहता हूँ. Now that you are saying and you are validating what I say, all the aspirants must understand this, that you are seeking to become a class 1 officer of the government of India.
Yes, sir.
And you can't just, know nothing about anything and become an officer, right? What is going to set you apart from the men is going to be your knowledge, your approach, your confidence, your communication. Otherwise, why do you expect your men to give you respect? For what? Simple as that.
Yes, sir.
You need to be like that. Right? You can't demand respect. You have to command respect. Very good. We are so happy about your success, and on behalf of all the faculty in AFPA, I wish you all the very best, Rohan, and may you serve the nation with pride, and may God be with you in all your endeavors. Do convey our sincere regards to your parents.
Yes, sir.
And we wish you good luck, Rohan. It was nice talking to you, and keep in touch. AFPA, just a short association of 14 days, but I still remember the first batch students, they don't forget to give a call.
Yes, sir. So you were the first person I called when I got recommended. You were the first person I called.
Acha, okay.
Yes,
So,
sir.
I'm saying the first, AFPA batch when we started in March
Yes, sir.
2018.
Yes, sir.
Those students, even today, many of them, they call once in a while
Yes,
to
sir.
wish during festival. It feels good. Acha lagta hai, right?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Nice talking to you, Rohan. All the best. God bless you. Jai
Thank you,
Hind.
sir.